Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And my new Tecsun PL-330 is over on the charger. And that's because I finished the battery test. And so it's dead right now, and so it's being recharged. But I want to give you the results. Started the test yesterday at 4:15 a.m. I had all bars on the indicator. 9 o'clock, all bars. 10 o'clock, all bars. 2:55 p.m., all bars. 3:55, all bars. So we've almost gone 12 hours, and it's still showing all bars. I think it's either 3 or 4 bars. Come down to 5:15. All bars. 7 p.m. it dropped down to 3 bars or 2 bars. It was hard for me to tell. 8 p.m., 8:50 p.m. it was still 3 bars. Tuesday morning at midnight it was dropped down to 1 bar. Now it was playing FM station at a volume of 10, which is about normal volume for listening to it in my office. 2:40 a.m., no bars, but it was still playing fine. No bars though. 5:15 a.m., clock only. It was showing the clock. The radio had shut off. I tried turning the radio back on. It came back on for about 5 seconds and shut off. So it was done. So it went 25 hours of continuous play on that little cell phone battery. To me, that's amazing. I mean, that was continuous play, FM station, medium volume. What do you think? You think it's good enough? Now, like I say, it's probably good for that battery, but that battery's small. So keep that in mind if you're going to go like on a field trip or something like that to the beach. Well, maybe not to the beach, you wouldn't stay there 24 hours, but anyway, you might want to take an extra battery. And those batteries are really cheap. They're really popular. They're really cheap. So I think it's okay. It will last, of course, much longer if you don't leave it on continuously. So it'll probably play several days of maybe 4 or 5 hours of use. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye. There we go. I always got to kick the camera at least once.